Your phone can get lost at any time, but do this on your phone so that when your phone gets lost and then it gets into the right person's arm, you understand? Not everyone will just return your phone, but if in case it gets into the right person's hand and then the person would like to just return your phone, the person will be able to find your name and also a number right there to call for return your phone. So it will be something like this on the screen after you are done with this setting. So you can see call, then the phone number if found. So you'll be adding someone's number, not your own number. Listen, not your own number, but someone's number. And that number should be someone who is close to you. So just go to your phone settings. When you go to your phone settings, just scroll down and then look for display and brightness right here and just tap on it. Kindly like the video for me so that to help me do more for you. So after that, just go to lock screen right here. So when you come here, you can see we have lock screen notification display, add text on lock screen. This is what you're looking for. Add text on lock screen. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will give you this pop-up. And listen, this is what I will advise you to do. Just enter this, enter owner, and then just bring a comma, and then you enter your name. So let's say Ositech, or let me use Simon as an example. Okay, so just tap Simon or your name right here, and then add call, then you add the person's number. So the person that you would like, the one who has found the phone to call, so it can be your friend or a family member, just enter that person's number right here. So just call and then the person's number will be there, and then you add if found. So the owner of this phone is Simon, and then call this number if found. Okay, so there's it. And then don't be entering a lot of text, or it shouldn't be that plenty. It shouldn't be a long message, because when you do it that way, most of the messages will not be appearing on the screen. So there's it. And then this is how you can just add text on your home screen to just help people bring or return your phone to you if it is lost. Share to someone. Always don't forget to just give something to the person. Yes, it is a must for you. When someone returns anything belonging to you, just make sure you give something to the person to encourage the person to do more. Like this video, and also your gifts are welcome. See you in the next video. Stay alive. Bye for now.